Welcome to 11 Bravo Training's Gun Tip of the Week. Today we're going to demonstrate how to load a revolver. So first of all, you pick up the revolver in your right hand. Then you have to release the cylinder. You do that by pushing the cylinder release button, which is right here. You push that forward, and with your other hand you push the cylinder toward you and rotate it out of the frame. Then you can load each individual cartridge in the cylinders like this. And then once you finish doing that and you have all the cylinders loaded, all you do is you rotate the cylinder back into the frame, and now you're ready to shoot. Simple. So that's all there is to loading a revolver. Thank you for watching 11 Bravo Training's Gun Tip of the Week, and don't forget to shoot straight.